Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Woo! What's going on, everyone? The time has come. Christmas, we got to do it the day before Christmas Eve. So, here it is. Aerodactyl EX, Mega Aerodactyl EX, with, I believe, 6 packs in it. I am flipping out right now. I am so excited. Sorry if I don't know how rare stuff is, but I am so excited. I'll be back when I get this thing open. This is insane. Okay, so there's Aerodactyl EX and Mega Aerodactyl, the big card, 6 packs. So first of all, I'm getting out Aerodactyl. Don't want to bend up the edge. Come on, get out, get out, get out. No, no. Okay, it's getting bit. Okay, let me get it back. Okay, Aerodactyl EX. So then, come out, Mega Aerodactyl. Don't be scared. Then there's Mega Aerodactyl EX with 110 HP and rock drill die does 110 damage, and it says this attack does 10 damage to each bench Pokemon, to both yours and your opponent's. Don't do weakness and or resistance. And Aerodactyl with 170 HP with Rock Smash and Land Crush, which is amazing. We have this little pin, and we have a coin, which I will show you in a little bit. Then the big card to add to my collection. So, first of all, I'm going to do a breakthrough pack, and since I don't have a stand, if someone can hold my camera, sorry, and in my last video where I did the Kangaskhan EX pack, I forgot to mention this, but someone was like, "Hey man, the code cards." I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm not doing the code cards. I'm waiting till I'm waiting till I get like so many subscribers. Then I'm going to do a live stream. Now, first thing up is a Marowak. And what's that thing? Star Raven or Star? And there's something. It's something like that. Professor's Letter. That can't pronounce his name. I know what it is. I feel stupid. Oh, come on. A Flabébé. Sandshrew. Cubone. Noibat Pikachu. Don't know how rare that is. No way. Don't know how rare this is. But I'm setting the Pikachu and that off to the side. Next, I'm going to do. Sorry about the camera. So there's a trick where you take 3 cards from the back and put them into the front. And, okay. It's a fossil. So that, Machop. Hopefully that's a sign for the champ. Bellsprout. Okay, my shiny is, how do you pronounce it? I don't know. The never seen that before, but I'm hoping. I am like hoping so badly, so much that I get an EX. Okay, took out the code card. 1, 2, 3. Down, then to the front. A trainer. Ursaring. Routes. Pancham. Special energy. That's my hollow. Then, that's cool. We evolve Spritzy. Come on, where are you? Where are you yet? So, come on out. No. Get off of your paper. Sorry. Okay. 1, 2. Oh no, we're having a little problem. I'll be back when I get this up. I believe I got the problem fixed. A trainer. And tell me if this was supposed to be the rare there. I'm not sure. Ultra Ball. And they're upside down. Okay. Orange Ball. Togepi. That's cool. Lechling. Execute. Hopefully that's a sign for an executor. That'd be cool. Okay. And my rare is that. Leave in the comments how rare some of these cards are. Oh. Whoa. And also it comes with Aerodactyl Spirit Link, which I had no clue it came with. So, next is, this is not the final pack. I thought this is the final pack for a second. Let's find that one down there. So, if I got EX, if I got an EX, what luck would that be? What luck would that be? I would flip out. So, there's a 3 from the back. Okay. We got that. Trainer Gumi. Meowth. That. Come on. Shiny is a level ball. And like Gudra. Oh my. That is insane. So here's the final pack. No! Come on. Hopefully I can get Sliggoo. That'd be cool. Even though I don't play Dragon type. I got Gudra. Come on, be Sliggoo. Or an EX, Mega EX, anything good. Please. Sorry about the camera angle. Wow. Hard to do this. Okay. There's that. Trainer. Rotom. Eevee. Bullet. Rocks. Oh my. That is a full... I think that is rare. That's going off to the side. That is awesome. It's a full art. Another one of them. Jeez. And that. So, quick recap time of the good stuff that came with this. First of all, the stuff that beat both the packs. That, Pikachu. Then, we have Mega Aerodactyl Spirit. Then the big Aerodactyl, Mega Aerodactyl. actually EX card. We have Mega. We have a Mega Aerodactyl pin, and if I can get it out, here, and the Aerodactyl pin. So, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, but leave in the comments, should I start doing vlogs? If you want me to start doing some vlogs, I will start doing some. They'll probably be up on Thursday. They should be up on Thursdays. Maybe not. I don't know. But if you did enjoy this video, leave a like for the Mega Aerodactyl, which will be going into a deck that I am getting soon. Just leave a like, leave a nice comment, because we don't want no mean comments, do we? And have a good rest of the evening, night, morning, whatever it is that whenever you're watching this video. And good